Construction worker's son, Arshad Nadeem, wins Pakistan historic javelin gold. Paris Olympics 2024, Arshad Nadeem wanted to be a cricketer. His father, a retired construction worker, encouraged him to take up javelin. Some 20 years later, the man from Mian Chanu won Pakistan's first track and field gold medal. 1. Arshad Nadeem became Pakistan's first-ever individual Olympic champion. 2. Arshad has struggled with injuries and lack of financial support. 3. In March 2024, Arshad said his 8-year-old javelin was damaged. Arshad Nadeem ended Pakistan's 40-year-long wait for an Olympic gold medal. The 27-year-old, son of a retired construction worker, won the country's first individual medal in Olympic history. He won the men's javelin gold at the Paris Olympics, beating defending champion Neeraj Chopra in one of the most fiercely fought javelin finals at the Games. Nadeem sealed the gold with two 90-plus throws, one of them a new Olympic record of 92.97 m. Arshad Nadeem stunned the field. For the first time in the history of the Olympics, a European was not standing on the podium. It was an Asian one, two in the men's javelin final. Grenada's Anderson Peters took gold after singing his redemption song. While Neeraj Chopra established himself as one of the greatest Indian Olympians, adding a silver in Paris to the gold he won in Tokyo, Arshad Nadeem came like a bolt from the blue, bringing cheer to Pakistan, who did not have an Olympic medalist for the last 32 years. The man who trained in his backyard became one of Pakistan's greatest athletes and produced one of the finest performances on the field at the Games. Arshad Nadeem, who finished behind Neeraj Chopra in the World Championships last year, won the Commonwealth Games gold in 2022 with a best effort of 90.18 m, his first throw over 90 m. And on Thursday, he became the first man to register two 90-plus throws in an Olympic men's javelin final. Arshad Nadeem's achievements: 1 Olympic gold in Paris in 2024, 92.27 m. 2. World Championship silver in 2023, 87.82 m. 3. Commonwealth Games gold in 2022, 90.18 m. 4. 5th in Tokyo Olympics in 2021, 84.62 m. 5. Bronze in Asian Games in 2018, 80.75 m. Arshad Nadeem's story is inspirational. Born on January 2nd, 1997 in Mian Chanu, a town in Punjab, which is 250-odd km away from Lahore, Arshad is the third oldest amongst 7 siblings. Arshad's family was not economically strong, as his father, who was a construction worker, was the sole breadwinner. Arshad's village pooled in money at one point to fund his training and travel to international competitions. How his fellow villagers and relatives used to donate money so that he could travel to other cities for his training and events in his early days, Arshad's father, Mohammed Ashraf, had said. Arshad Nadeem wanted to be a cricketer. Arshad's athletic prowess was evident from his early school years, where he excelled in various sports such as cricket, badminton, football, and athletics. His passion for cricket led him to play at the district level, but it was his performance in an athletics competition that caught the attention of coach Rashid Ahmad Saki, who took him under his wing and nurtured his talent. Before focusing on javelin throw, Nadeem also pursued shot put and discus throw. His success in javelin throw events, including gold medals in successive Punjab youth festivals and an inter-board meet, propelled him to the national stage, earning him offers from leading domestic athletics teams such as Army, Air Force, and WAPDA. His father, Mohammed Ashraf, played a crucial role in persuading him to take up javelin throw as his primary sport. Nadeem's career in javelin throw began in 2015, and he received a scholarship from World Athletics in 2016, which allowed him to train at the IAAF High Performance Training Center in Mauritius. At the highest level, Arshad Nadeem's journey has not been easy. The javelin thrower had had his fair share of injuries, and sponsorship has been an issue for him in Pakistan, which sent only 7 athletes to the Paris Games. Injury woes, lack of facilities. Arshad Nadeem was on the sidelines last year as he was forced to miss the Asian Games in September. Arshad was hoping to start his season in the Olympic year in February, but he underwent knee surgery and needed 2 more months to recover. Arshad was expected to start his season at the Pavo Nurmi Games last month, but he opted for more recovery time after picking up a minor calf muscle injury. In March, Arshad Nadeem said the only world-class javelin that he had been using since 2015 for competitions was damaged. In fact, Neeraj Chopra even called for better support to the Pakistan star when he made the revelation about the javelin. Arshad has not had the training facilities that his counterparts enjoyed over the last few years, despite having made his Olympic debut 3 years ago. The javelin thrower competed in his maiden Diamond League earlier this year, but nothing deterred Arshad on the big day. He walked up and sent the javelin into the night sky in Paris, conquering the rest of the world.